Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a video on Facebook Messenger. So let's start. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. Now open a conversation. Now tap on the image icon at the bottom of the screen and your camera roll will open. Now let's find a video to send. Let's send this one. Tap on the video and then tap send. Unlike photos, it takes a few time to send the video. And the video is sent. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.